Have you ever encountered the dreaded "another update is currently in progress" error in WordPress? Don't worry, this error is easier to fix than you might think. In this video, I'll show you 5 quick and professional ways to resolve this issue and prevent it from happening again. Let's dive in. First, what causes this error? WordPress locks the core update process to prevent multiple updates from running simultaneously. But if the process is interrupted, say, due to a timeout or a server issue, the lock remains, causing this error. Here's how you can fix it. Solution 1. Wait for the lock to expire. Sometimes, patience is all you need. WordPress typically releases the update lock after 15 to 30 minutes. Refresh your dashboard after this time, and the issue may resolve itself. But if it doesn't, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Use a plugin. The easiest way to fix this error is by using a plugin like Fix Another Update in Progress. Simply install and activate the plugin, and it will detect and remove the update lock automatically. Problem solved in seconds. Solution 3. Clear the lock manually via phpMyAdmin. For those comfortable working with databases, you can fix this error manually. Here's how. Log into your hosting dashboard and open phpMyAdmin. Select your WordPress database. Find the WP_options table. Look for the option named core_updater.lock. Delete that row. Refresh your WordPress dashboard, and the error should be gone. Solution 4. Use a custom PHP script. If you prefer a code-based solution, you can add this PHP snippet to your theme's functions.php file or a custom plugin. It removes the update lock automatically. Visit your site once to trigger the function, then remove the code to keep things clean. To prevent this error in the future. 1. Avoid initiating multiple updates simultaneously. 2. Schedule updates during off-peak hours when server loads are low. 3. Always back up your site before making major updates. And that's it. With these methods, you can quickly resolve the "another update is currently in progress" error in WordPress and keep your site running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more professional WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.